Gemstone Watermelon Tourmaline. Very rarely do we find gemstones that resemble fruit. It's quite an odd concept, but watermelon tourmaline is an excellent example of a gem that mimics nature beauty. With a green outer layer that resembles a watermelon rind and a pink center. The stone is aptly named after the fruit. Of course, something as unique as this has plenty of meaning attached to it and forms in the most interesting way. Watermelon tourmaline is a variant of concentrically color-zoned tourmaline. It's characterized by its pinkish red interior and green exterior, making it resemble a watermelon. The term watermelon tourmaline was coined by George Robley Howe from Norway, Maine in the United States. It was later used in a Maine news publication in 1910 and then in an international publication in 1911. After that, it stuck. Watermelon tourmaline is found in a number of places around the world. It was first discovered at a mine in Newry, Maine in 1902. In the early 1970s, a large deposit of watermelon tourmaline stones was unearthed at Maine's Plumbago Gem Pit. In recent years, watermelon tourmaline has also been discovered in Brazil, Madagascar, Nigeria, and Afghanistan. Genuine tourmalines come in almost every color of the rainbow, from pink to black tourmaline. However, the most popular and coveted watermelon colors are the green outer layer with a hard pink core. It's most likely that fake watermelon tourmaline will follow this color pattern. In order to tell the difference, take a close look at the color separation. Real watermelon tourmaline will have a fade between colors, whereas a fake version is likely to have a sharp line separating the hues. Also remember that pink and green tourmaline are the most valuable, so if a gem is on the lower end of the cost scale, it likely is not real. Another easy way to tell if a watermelon tourmaline is real is by looking for inclusions. If it looks too perfect and too good to be true, it likely is. Genuine tourmaline usually has inclusions in it.
Pond 5. Pond 5.